Elizabeth, time to shrink. We are going to make, I don't even know what to call this. It's jalapeno poppers stuffed inside sausage. I guess we need to come up with a good name for that. But it's gonna be yummy. I'm so excited. I've never made anything like this. It just kind of popped in my head that instead of stuffing the sausage inside the jalapeno popper, what if I made the jalapeno popper and then wrapped it in sausage instead of in bacon? So we're gonna try it, see how it goes. I think it's gonna be really yummy. So let's get started. We need some Jimmy Dean hot sausage. I've got some jalapenos that I'm going to prep. In here, I've already put some cream cheese, and we're also going to use some tailgate rub. This is from Aldi's. All right, let's go. Let's do it. Just a little reminder, you're gonna wanna set your oven to 350. I did that right before I started, and then it'll be ready for you instead of you waiting for it. This is some cream cheese and some shredded cheddar. Let me grab a spoon. I always think I have everything I need and then I don't. Okay, so this has been sitting out so that it would get to room temperature and I'd be able to mash it all up together easily, which it's not as room temperature as I was hoping for, but it'll work. I'm gonna add, this is some tailgate rub from Aldi's. You could use ranch seasoning, you could use whatever seasoning you want. I am going to put this both in the inside and in the sausage. Let's see, that's like a little less than half a tablespoon. This rib rub does have a little bit of brown sugar in it. So for 1/4 teaspoon, it says that there are no carbs, but you know, there's definitely going to be carbs if you use a lot of it. A smart person would probably put some gloves on to do this so you don't get jalapeno all on your hands. I don't have any, so I'm just going to kind of use a spoon and pull all the insides out. So what I'm going to do is just get a little bit of this mixture and put it right inside each of these jalapenos, and I'm going to try and piece these back together. So if I was smart, I would not have created this little pile. I would have kept them in twos, but I wasn't thinking. So we're just gonna have to guesstimate. So I'm gonna fill both sides and then kind of put it back together as one. So that was about half a cup of cheese and 4 ounces of cream cheese, and that was enough for 9. Made 9, and then we'll see if one of this pounded sausage will wrap them all or not. Again, I've never made this before and I don't have a recipe, so we're just winging it. All right. So I don't know exactly. Let's see. I don't think this is going to be enough sausage probably for all of these. I may have to get another pack. But basically you just want to wrap it all the way around so that none of the jalapeno is showing. And it's kind of like a Scotch egg idea is where I got the idea, but instead of wrapping it around an egg, we're wrapping it around this. So this is the first step, and then we're gonna roll this in crushed pork rinds and the seasoning that we used on the inside, and I think they're gonna be amazing. I'm super excited about this. All right, so I had enough to make 8. So we'll just do something else with this one. Cut it up and put it in something, or I don't know. cook it just like this. Wrap it. Oh, I know. We'll just wrap this one in a piece of bacon. That'll work. This is crushed pork rinds and 1 tablespoon of seasoning. You do whatever seasoning you want. This is like a rib rub type seasoning, like barbecue-y almost. I just thought that sounded good. You can do whatever. All right, so you're gonna take one. Make sure you don't see any jalapeno pieces sticking out. All right, and then you're just gonna press it into the pork rinds. Get it nice and coated. I want a nice crunchy coating. So make sure you get it really coated. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm loving myself right now. Oh my gosh, I think these are gonna be amazing. All right, y'all, here are our jalapeno stuffed peppers. This one kind of, the inside all exploded out of, and this one a little bit. I think the lesson that I've learned here is don't skimp on the amount of sausage that you wrap them with. I tried to make the sausage spread farther, so I think if I'd wrapped them a little bit better, we wouldn't have had any of these explosion situations, but they look really good. They smell really good. Okay, let's cut into this. This is still a bit warm, but I just couldn't wait, y'all. Could not wait. I'm gonna taste this, and I'm gonna let my son Jack taste it. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Here we go. All right, I took a huge mouthful. That is so good. Oh my gosh. This is gonna make great like Super Bowl appetizers or holiday appetizers or anything. Like, I would make meals out of this, just have them for lunch. Oh my gosh. That is so good. All right, I'm gonna switch camera and let Jack taste this. Test it out, buddy, it's good.
That's pretty good.
Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Yum.
That's pretty good.
All right, y'all, here's a close-up. There's a whole one, and here's one that I've kind of cut into. Yum.